Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For this beautiful pull-through 3D braid, you're going to need elastics from Goody and then some clips. Start at the top from the crown of your head and then just add ponytails all the way down. Now, you're going to split this into 3 sections at the top. Sorry, this got cut off just a little bit, but the 2 sections on the side you're going to put away, and then you're going to take the next ponytail, split into 2, and then put the middle part in between the ponytail. Then you're going to take those 2 sections from the second ponytail and clip them away. Then you're going to add the 2 sections on either side to the next ponytail, and then just do the same thing. You're going to split it into 3, put the 2 side parts away, then split the next ponytail into 2 sections, and then put the middle part in between the 2 sections, take the 2 sections and clip them away. And this is basically exactly how you're going to do all the way down. Then just again adding those 2 sections on the side to the next ponytail down and adding elastics. Split it again into 3 sections, then take the ponytail below and split it into 2 sections, put the middle part in between, and then add the 2 sections on the side to the ponytail on the bottom. Just keep doing this all the way down to the nape of your neck. Then once you get to the nape of your neck, you're going to just take the 2 sections, again, split them into 3 from the top, and then you're going to do the exact same thing basically. Split the bottom ponytail underneath into 2, and then let the middle part fall through. Then adding all 3 sections together, then doing the same thing again. Take the top 2 parts and then split them into 3, splitting the middle part, the bottom ponytail down into 2, and then putting the 2 sections from the top in between. I basically just had to memorize the whole process to be able to do this. It was a little bit difficult, but not totally impossible. So if you just watch it several times, you can get it in your head how it's going to be done, and that just made it a lot easier for me. Then once you get to the bottom, you can go as far down as you want, but I just decided to go all the way down to the end. Once I got to the end, I just added it all together, and then this is my favorite part. You're going to pinch and pull this braid a lot to get it to get that 3D look. This is where the magic happens, you guys. Look at that. Look how much different it looks and how much more beautiful this braid looks. I loved this braid. I wore it all day, and it just stayed in so well because you have all those elastics holding the braid up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your video requests. See you next time.